Yep, you did just get white wheels on this thing. What do you guys think? Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Haven't picked up a camera in a while. Haven't really posted a video actually, so I figured why not just pick up the camera and just record what I do today. So actually today we're not gonna be working on my car, but we will be working on one of my clients' cars. Boom. This is his car, check it out. FRS on some Kansai wheels. So today we're going to be installing some Racer X upper control arms for the rears. So what these will do is pretty much give you camber in the rear, give you about as much as you really want. I believe that these upper control arms are the -9 to -14 versions. So that will really give this car like hella camber, and the owner told me to max it out. So let's see how much camber this will give us. So just took off the wheel and everything, guys. This right here is the upper control arm. This is what we're going to be replacing. There's going to be 3 bolts, one right here, and then one on each ends of the upper control arm, and also this ABS bracket on the side right here. Guys, right now I just undid the bolt right here and the ABS bracket on the side. It's going to be a 17 mil bolt for this one, and then two 10s on the ABS bracket. And then you're just gonna want to get like a hammer or a mallet and just start tapping the top of the control arm right here, on top of the ball joint. Be careful not to hit the actual ball joint or else you'll rip it, but just tap the top part right here a little bit and then it should pop out just like that. After a couple more taps, then the upper control arm, the ball joint, popped out of the knuckle right here. So now we just have to do the one more bolt inside on that side and one more on this side back there, and the whole thing should just come down like that. Now we're under the car, guys. It's gonna be this bolt that's holding this together and this one right here. So it's gonna be this bolt right here, and the axle's in the way, but this bolt right here. This one is gonna be a little tricky to get to since the spaces are so tight, but this one should come out pretty easily. Alright guys, after some finessing, I used like a breaker bar, a freaking little ratchet, like a combination of stuff, and finally got it out. The 2 bolts out. They're both 17s as well, so it's gonna be 3 17s all around, and then this thing should just come right out just like that. As you can see here, we got the 2 side by side for a little comparison. So you got the stock one on this side and then the Racer X one on this side. So this right here will allow for adjustment, as you can see, while the OEM one has no adjustment at all. So the way to adjust this is there's going to be a locking ring which will go up and down like this when you turn it. So when it's closer to the body, that means it's locked. When it's outside away from the body, so this is the body and this is the joint right here, then it will be loose like so, and then you can spin this. If you spin it in, then it will give you less or more camber because it will pull in the wheel like that, because think about it, if the arm will sit like this, and if the joint is shorter, then it will pull in the camber more, if that makes any sense. But yeah, so the owner told me he wants to max it out, so we're gonna max out the camber adjustment all the way to the body, and I'll show you guys the difference between those. So here it is. I just maxed out the arm all the way to the most negative camber. As you can see, there's no space between the body and the locking ring. And if I put this on top of the stock one, you can see that it is just a little bit shorter. So that few millimeters of it being shorter will in turn give you a ton of negative camber on the car. So let's go ahead and throw this Racer X arm, and then I'll show you guys how much camber it gives us. So to put this arm back in, you're just gonna do a reverse of everything. You're gonna wanna put in the 2 bolts here, 17 and the 17 into the knuckle right there. And the thing about the Racer X arm is that it doesn't come with a bracket for your ABS. So as a result, you're gonna have to want to zip tie it to the arm instead of the little bolts that come into the stock arm. Here's an update, guys. Just finished, tightened all the bolts down, this one, that one, and tightened the crap out of it so it doesn't get loose while you're driving. Don't forget to also tighten the locking ring right here for the camber adjustment. And also I zip tied the ABS line to the brake line right here and through the back right there. So there you go, one side's finished. Let's go ahead and slap on the wheel and see how much camber we get. Guys, I just slapped on the wheel right now and you're not ready for this. Wow, check this out. Damn, hella camber, bruh. So since we added so much camber, now the back of the wheel is rubbing, so we're definitely gonna need a spacer to push the wheel out more so it doesn't rub. But other than that, guys, here's how it looks. I'm guessing this is maybe negative. It should be at least negative 14 since the setting of the Racer X is maxed out at negative 14. So yeah, this is how it looks, guys. Let's go ahead and slap on a spacer for him and then slap on the wheel again, see how it looks. Just slapped on a 25mm spacer, and check this out, guys. Holy shit. That's the front. The front wheel is maybe at, I'd say, like -5 or something. Look at the rears, yo. Bruh. That thing is straight slanted, bro. God damn. Definitely gonna need an alignment after this. But yeah, this is how much camber the Racer X arms will give you. Check that out. So here's what the owner had before. And then you go over here. Damn. Yeah, that's probably like -15 at least. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and then show you guys what the car looks like when it's on the ground. Guys, just finished both sides. And dude, this thing looks freaking crazy, bro. You guys ready for this? All right, so here's the front. See the camera in the front? Boom, bro. Bro, this thing looks crazy, bro. And he's tucking, hella tucking now, gonna need more spacers. Already got 25mm spacer on there, but maybe like 40 or 50mm at least. But god damn, look at this thing. This thing looks broken. And yeah, guys, that's how easy it is to get camber on these, the FRS BRZs. All you need is that upper control arm, and check out how much camber you can get. And obviously you can dial it more positive, because this is maxed out negative right now, so there's a lot of adjustment with these. And he also has lower control arms and toe arms that are adjustable as well, so pretty much he's gonna be able to dial in any wheel spec that he pretty much wants at this point. Hella gap now, but hella tucking though compared to the fronts. Definitely he's gonna need to camber the fronts now. But yeah, that's the final result, guys. So yeah, just a little short video, but that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a comment down below. Also like and subscribe for more videos, and I will see you on the next one. Peace out.